Msssb paper 2 na arithmetic part khania arithmetic part kan start dona question number 51 atang hian arithmetic ania. The value of 3 1 by 4 divided by 1 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2. Heading hai chan putmas kha kan cheta ngaya. Putmas rule. Inge ni putmas dikha. Chuan putmas rule mai kan chuka nga. Ite kan chuang. 3 1 by 4. Claim kan shortcut nenga space claim se. 3 1 by 4 2 fraction pa ngaya kan dang. 4 3s are 12 plus 1 2 13. 13 by 4 divided by 1 1 by 4 2 4 1s are 4 plus 1 5 5 by 4 minus 1 by 2 1 2 2s are 4 plus 1 2 2s are 4 plus 1 2 5 by 2 minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 6 1 13 by 4 but mas akan in total kan so hangaya 1 by 2 LCM kan putanga 6 le 4 2 1 LCM kan la liang minus 1 total na 3 minus 2 2 30 minus 1 to 29 yeah 1 12 minus 1 by 2 to 24 Chuan ta hian LCM kan la liang LCM chu 24 nia 4 6 are 24 nia 6 3 6 5 are 30 29 13 by 4 divided by 24 1 draw 13 by 4 into 24 divided by 1 1 4 6 are near 1 6 into 3 78 kan answer to 78 so next the square root of square root meron zota 7 is to square root kan zong 7 plus 3 to the power 5 le 7 minus 3 to the power 5 root kan zon don chuan root kan danga te kan zolang 7 plus 7 formula kan apply ngadra 7 square a square minus b square minus 3 to the power root 5 square so 7 to 49 nimaya 3 to 9 9 into 5 root 5 square ko to 5 nimaya so 1 kala kan zeng 49 minus 45 and not ina chuan 4 chuan 2 answer don chuan option number A ka kan answer so next up 1849 students are sitting in an auditorium in such a manner that there are as many students in a row as there are columns in the auditorium. Find the number of rows in the auditorium. Rows kha zong ram ite tiang chuan square root mi nia take root kan la tak chu 1849 chu eng root nia kan na asan chu rows le auditorium kha so 1849 chu 43 is true 43 nia so 143 kan answer so next akram if 15 men working 9 hours a day can reap a field in 16 days. Can reap a field in 16 days. In how many days will 18 men can reap the field titoni? Working 8 hours a day. So, 2160 niya tra. So, one question to 18 in how many days will 18 men can reap the field in 8 hours a day. 8 hours a day into days ka kan thelo ta chuan chu 12160 ta se ni exact swing yan zo khanam chu x si dina 120 is divided among A, B, and C, such that A shares is rupees 20 more than B and rupees 20 less than C. What is B shares? Omse chu C shares kan share ang daw ni tra. C shares hi X ni ta se A shares is more than B and rupees 20 less than C. C in 20 na less than A2 C in C has X kante C in 20 na claim down tisu B po more than 20 and yang chuan 20 less than C so tisu X minus 14 down chuan 120 chuan kami ho zong kha A C plus B plus A plus B plus C kan bel khan 120 kan divide hi down dinania so tisu C to X ania B to X minus 40 plus A to X minus 20 so 120 tra chuan X to 3X kan nia chuan minus X to 60 also chuan X is 16 is one A chuan azania 60 minus 22 40 tra chuan B2 60 minus 42 20 C2 16 chuan A is to B is to C2 40 is to 2 is to 6 chuan 2 1 3 40 20 16 2 is to 1 is to 3 chuan what is B shares? B shares to 1 in the 1 by B shares to 1 by 6 into out of 120 times Zania shares down style pakhat ania style dang kan chinam khoi zoge also min du zo ino follow nga A shares is rupees 20 more than B kan tih atra. A chu B I in 20 in tam dawn. Chuti chu B teng in 20 in tam dawn. Chuan can divide to A B C nia chuan and 20 less than C. A chu C I in 20 tam dawn. Chuan omzia chu A le A in equal a chuti chu B plus 20 le C minus 20 in equal tina. Chuan C chu B plus 14 in dawn tina. Tra. Yem. 20 hi lama phainga 14 nga chuan C po sorry 20 hi lama phainga chuan plus sign nga plus 20 chuan 40 B plus 14 dawn tina. Chuan A is to B is to C akan ta chana. Chuan khamite kan bel khom te khan 120 tuk dawn. 120 kha kan divide tu ni bang. Chumite kan bel khom vek chuan A chuan B plus 20 nia B to B ni mea. C pon B plus 40. B plus 40 tuka. Chuan 3B kan ni atra. 3B plus 60 equal to 120. Chuan B to 120 minus 16. Chuan B to 20 lo so. 60 yang draw chuan 60 divided by 3 is 20. Chuan rupees 20. A can do a piece of work in 18 hours. In how many hours can A and B together do the work if B is twice as fast as A? Here's the time and distance, time and work kan tia mga ya. Time and work le. Susunod na time and work class kan na natin kan nasay nga. Chuan kan lo ensin na natin kan so. A can do a piece of work at 18 hours. Piece of work in 18 hours. In how many days A plus B together work? A plus B together work in how many days? Hun chui nge zo thayang. Mizo that one B is twice as fast as A. B2 AI in thok zo draw. So efficiency kan so itina efficiency. B2 efficient zo dina twice a letin. So B2 omje 2 is to 1 in dina. Chuan omje 2 A2 1 day work on zon don chuan A2 2 by x ania B2 1 by x. Chuan heta hian A2 can do a piece of work in 18 hours kan tia chuan a 1 day work on zon don chuan A is 1 day work to ni khata tho thei za chu 1 by 18 me tra. Chuan 1 by 18 non chok thei tur chu heta hian A2 2 by A2 2 by x kan ti to chu ti chu 1 by 18 chok thei tur chuan 2 into 90 anti na nia. Chu ti chu x in 90 na. Chuan B po chu 1 by 9 ni na. Chuan A le B khan thok tun chuan A plus B chu in zat ngen tang. A chu 1 by 18 kan tia, B chu 1 by 9 kan tia tra. Chuan LCM kan nga 1 plus 2 ni nga 3 by 18 chuan 6 tra. 1 by 6 hem 1 day work ania. Chuan an engen yang an efficiency pa ngai ta kha chu an work ta kha chu 6 hours hui na zo man don dina. So I can answer to D. A sum of money. Next question number 57. A sum of money at simple interest amount 2 rupees 815 in 3 years and 2854 in 4 years. Okay. Simple interest 1 year. Simple interest ang hai renga kumtin thang hai don chu wang chuan for 1 year kan ensin ang 1 year chungin ensan ya interest ang so india kan chetang akum lina khan 854 khan ya amount zong kha sum zong kha chuan 815 third year na chuan kum kha chung chuan 39 ni ti kan chia chuan chumi chu for simple interest for 3 years kum thung chung chuan za nge 39 into 3 tra kum thung chung kan zong do na chumi chu 117 chaina chuan sum value kan chadwa tra ti chu akum thum na khan sum of simple interest what is the sum this is principal min zot ina ne a principal chu 815 minus kan interest to zong kha tra 117 chuan value so 698 value so chuan kan answer chu c chuan 4 years do kan lak chuan mi kan le sanga chuan heta hian 4 kan da be thung chuan the perimeter of a triangle plot is 48 meter and area is 108 square meter. The dimension of the plot are hi du chuan I ngen yang advanced mathematics rectangular tang hi kan du chuan nge cho pa ngai cho chuan har equal thuia indu chuan ken kan chunga cho sa po kan I thawa indu chuan ken indu amar chu hi chu option thoda kan cho hian all something kan chok tin kan chong kan chha se formula chu kan shit benga chim advanced mathematics chu perimeter chu perimeter of rectangle chu 48 ni ti kan chia chuan perimeter of rectangle a formula chu 2l plus b length into breadth chu 48 ani 48 meter chuan an area is 108 kan chia area of rectangle chu length into breadth kan chia chumi chu area chu 108 nia chu l into b chuan heta kan chia to the dimension of the plot are a dimension za chu length le breadth chi zan nge ni ti kan chadwa chuan hetiang hawi option atang kan enanga kan multiply chinanga 12 into 9 kan multiply nga chuti chu 108 chok ni chuan khamite kha kan belanga into 2 kan ti khan 48 chok bok tu chuti chu option number c lo en chinanga 18 to 6 to 108 ro chok chuan kan answer chu option number c what is the angle of elevation of the sun when the length of the shadow of a tree is √3 times the height of the tree poi chigo tanga run kalani chigo te hi nge triplet formula oma na trigonometry kan zir huna kan na swinga hi chi ni ta se hi chi ni ta se ani la ngalo ngawina chu a b in kalo refer ga chuan length of the shadow kha nei do ni to kha chi khan shadow ne chu hi shadow hi chi kan tia chu chu hi height ni don tia h ti menga height chuan elevation of the sun elevation dina chu a le c chu shadow nia b le a chu h height ania nga c le b chu elevation chuan heta question atang kan chet chu shadow of a tree is 3 times s equal to shadow to √3 times of height of the tree height to 8 centimeter h kan tia chuan hi right 90 degree ni ti kan che cha ta asan chu trigonometry ho chu 90 degree nia chuan tan theta kan pulanga tan theta chuan perpendicular by base chu helai kan du ba draw perpendicular by base kan langa perpendicular chu height ni me draw by base chu shadow hi c le a chu s chu root 3 by 8 root 3 8 ni chun 8 kan cancel langa chuan 1 by root 3 lo chu dan dina chuan 1 by root 3 chu trigonometry a khan a ratio sa khan lo enanga 30 degree ni chuan kan answer chu option number A. So next question kan na chin he 789 he 789 he equal to A ya lo put ta na A lo refer ta se 211 hian B lo refer ta se chuan kan mu thei chu A into A plus B into B into B din ani chuan A into A minus A into B plus A into A draw sorry B into B into B chuan heta tang kan hre thei chu formula local da A cube plus B cube chuan A square minus AB plus B square chúng ta cần đắp lúc này bên anh phun hi don leo cho bằng chuan 70 thang kan support anga chuan video dang chu 70 nunga pa khan next video kan til A cube plus B cube formula chu A plus B A square minus AB plus B square ani chuan A square minus AB plus B square kan nei sa ta kan cancel thei chu di chu A plus B chu kan mo A chu 789 kan tia B chu 211 chuan kan bel chuan 1000 so kan answer chu 1000 61 na A, B and C can complete a piece of work in 26 6 12 working together they complete the same work in so all to an ABC khan chiang sadro A chu 24 nia B chu 6 nia C chu 12 respectively chuan and 1 day work ani khada tho kan en non chuan 1 by 4 and 1 by 24 1 by 6 1 by 12 and and 1 day work kan en non chuan 1 by 24 plus 1 by and tho dona plus kan plus by 12 so 7 by 24 ani chuan uncomplete na hun tur chu all the workers tuna kha chuan 1 day work chau kan zonga dra workers will be completed in itu kan zo so di zo hun tur chu 27 by 24 by 7 ani nga chu zan nge 3 by 7 days so B he can answer a person crosses a 600-meter long street in 5 minutes. What is his speed? Time and distance from Kalta. Distance to 600 meter near in 5 minutes. Time to 5 minutes. What is his speed? Inside speed. Speed he kilometer per hour in Zongro Mintetra. Speed formula speed to distance by time. So must say hey kilometer per hour in Zongro Mintesia. Tunai chuan kan nei lo sa ta chuan meter per second draw meter ni chuan per second anga ya minute po hi second akan chan tirang second akan chan ti don chuan 60 second ani meter chuan distance to 600 nia time kha chu sang 5 into 60 chuan kan cancel anga 2 meter per second lo chu ka mase kilometer per hour in min zot sia hi kilometer per hour kan chan ti chuan 2 into 18 by 5 chuan 7.2 kilometer per hour lo chu Two students appeared at an examination. exam appear. One of the students secured 9 marks more than the other, and the other is mark one. Zani an mark obtained min zota. The student ka X lo nita se one of them secured 9 marks more than the other. Pakhat zok chuan 9 marks na putam zok don ti asuya. One of them secured plus 9 marks. We can check masaber. And his mark was mark 2 equal to 56% of the sum of their mark. 56% of sum of their mark an panibel kom khati pakhat zok ka x ta se ama kha chu x plus 9 don ti na. So calculation kan tega. 56% of 2x plus 9 nga 100x plus 900 equal to 112x plus 504. 396 divided by 12. 133. 133 marks pakhat chuan 33 mo don tina. Sisoi kan chat orang. Si hi answer don chuan pakhat zok kha ading lo x pakhat chu x nia x chu 33 nia chuan x plus 9 kha. X to 33 plus 9 is 142. Option number C can answer. Question number 64. If all the value of x on 2 near you can put out of the 13% of 110 plus 17% of equal to x plus 26% of 350. Thì kalau chak ta bang chil harom lo kan say na 13 into 11 plus 17 into 21 equal to 143 plus 357 billion x plus 91 diba? 500 minus 51 91 x to 409 value. So I can answer to option number A. Next, Alfred buys a scooter for 4,700 and spends 800 on its repair. If he sells the scooter for 5,800, he gains percent. He kumahan sok doa. Money exercise akan of course kan so hain lo en chuan thenga and cost price to for 700 nia for 700 nia chuan a repairing atan khan 800 kan so this total cost to cost price to 4700 plus 800 to so kan selling price kan shal naka 5800 so this kan flok din atro 300 kan gain percent to so calculation kan tena. There are 20 people in a party. If every person shakes hand with every other person, what is the total number of handshakes? Handshake 20 people in Namta Mase with Pakat Khan, Amale Mahan shake it. That was one 19 Angan Dana, or Pakat Khan, Pakat Khan, Miss of Pakwazel, and good kind sweet Widonta, shake Widonta. So one to the other one can formulate it and there's ending to 10 minutes. Any minutes one condition so with Pakat Khan. Pakat Khan, a minus 19. On 20 Mase 19 plus 20 lang ju kema khan handshake don so bang chuan kema khan mi sam pakwa ka handshake wi don chuan kan n chu 20 nia into 20 minus 1 by 2 20 into 19 by 2 2 tens are 190 190 ways omdal dina mixer achhokim vero hlame mixer and alligation mixer te poran chhok ve a mixer contains milk and water milk le water ka 4:3 nia if 5 liters of water is added to the mixer 5 liter and 8 can this is engamoni khan bel don dia jo hi 4x le 3x ang vel don dina engamoni bel khan milk le water ka engamoni tikam water khan bel khan 4:5 ratio kharam danglam ta chuan find the quantity of milk in the given mixer the khan a quantity of milk kha kan zon chuangai hei poimo tingi question chane hei ratio kan da chuan 4x by 3x nei dra hei po hi 4 by 5 ani mea chuti chu kan en dan du chu 4x by 3x atang khan 5 liters of water kan bel don chuti chu 5 liter water zok chu 3x in 5 liter kan bel don chuan khata kan bel kha chuan 4:5 ro so dan 4:5 ro so 4:5 to 4 by 5 dina chiang tro so thang calculation ka tinga 20x equal to 20 chuan x2 26 x1 2.5 kan monga chuan quantity of milk space it lem to ka so bang chuan ketang siang quantity of milk chu kan quantity chu sang nge milk kha 4x in tra 4x milk kha 4x 4 into x chu 2.5 so this is 10 and not tra 10 liters average weight of 8 persons increased by 2.5 kg when a new person comes in place of one another them weighing 65 kg. What is the weight of the new person? Average weight of 8 person mi pariat Sinatu disu a plus sorry jadi pongai lo osamutok average weight 2 of 8 person mi pariat ka increased by 2.5 kg. When a new person come in place of one of them I increase the two total weight increases kanadang so 8 into 2.5 so in 20 will increase the so one weight of the new person is that 3 Zanya kg so kapaka in place of them measuring 65 plus new kg so it's 85 dina. A wheel makes 1000 revolutions in covering a distance of 88 kilometers. The radius of the wheel is the circumference the radius the khane kan du chuan circumference has 2 pi r meter chuan kan du chuan hi circumference kan mangal theino ni 80 kan sinang The radius Mizoda. Draw. It equal to 2 into 2.7 into radius. It into 7. 44. 44. 14. 14 meter well don't deny. Contain sansu. Ito here, 1 kilometer hi 1000 meter kan tira 1000 meter kan tia chuan 88 kilometer chu 88,000 meter an don dina chuan total distance traveled to a distance traveled thila chu 88000 meter an don dina chuan kha field kha tro a revolution zat kha 1000 ne tro this chu revolution zat kha 1000 chuan distance travel in one revolution kan zon chuan distance travel in one revolution kan zon chuan 8,000 divided by 1000 lenga chuan hei 88 ron chhok non thota 88 meter chuan circumference chu 2 pi r ania chuan ta kan substitute tanga chuan 14 meter lo chu three candidates contested an election and received 1136 7639 7636 11628 what percentage of the total votes did the winning get winning chu hi ni me tra ka khan inzat nge vote mo a percentage in zota total number of votes in zan yom 1136 plus 7636 plus 20400 velania chuan kan record percentage winning kha kan mamodra winning chu 11628 out of total to 20400 chuan kan divide tanga 57% 57% also chuan question number 71 to next video kan ngai chang le min ka voice kha shit har mai thiam lo sha thiam dani